Is cochlear implant right for your child? Transform your child's world of sound with cochlear implant. What is cochlear implant? Cochlear implant is a device that can help children with severe hearing loss experience sound. Benefits of cochlear implants. Cochlear implants help your child develop speech, learn better, and connect with others. Who can benefit from cochlear implant? Children with severe to profound hearing loss in both ears may benefit from cochlear implant. The cochlear implant process. From initial consultation to post-surgery support, we guide you every step of the way. Real stories, real impact. Meet Juan, who now hears her parents' voices clearly for the first time. Take the first step toward better hearing. Talk to our certified audiologists at 20 dB Hearing to see if cochlear implant is right for your child. Schedule a consultation today.